So my mobile bill is sitting at about $149 a month. I added 2 new lines and already had a $100 credit, but between activation fees and device financing, the cost crept up. It was time to see if I could get it down. First stop, ChatGPT voice mode. Let's see what it can do.
ChatGPT, my mobile bill just went up to $149 per month. Can you call my mobile provider and negotiate down for me?
Let me see. I can't place the call myself, but I can help you prep a script or compare plans. If you'd like someone else to actually make the call, there are third party bill negotiation services. I can look up a few options for you if you want.
Yeah, look up a few options. Give me the most popular one.
One of the most popular ones is Pine AI. They negotiate bills on your behalf, including mobile bills in Canada.
All right? But then it told me it can't actually make the call itself and suggested something called Pine AI. What even is this Pine AI? Let's see what it can actually do.
Hello? Hey, Derek, I'm here.
Hey Mia, my mobile bill went up to $149 per month. Can you help me negotiate it down?
Wow, 149. That's definitely a jump. I can absolutely get someone on that for you to see if we can get it lowered. Just so I have it right. Is this for your Rogers account?
Yes, that's correct.
Got it. I sent that over to the team to get started. They'll reach out to Rogers and see about getting that monthly total back down to something more reasonable for you.
Before touching anything, Pine laid out its entire plan. 5 steps. Research my provider's plans and retention offers. Collect my details and preferences. Build the strategy. Make the call. Then come back and confirm the result with me. It drafted a whole project plan for a phone call. Step 2. The details. I entered my name, account number, email, PIN, service type, everything it would need to actually act on my account. And notice what happens the moment I submit. Pine masks it all. Shield icons, hidden values, even on my own screen. I told it my one preference, keep my Canada and US roaming, and it confirmed its plan. Call my provider, push for a recurring monthly loyalty credit, 10 to 20 bucks a month off. And then it showed me something I've never seen an AI do. Its own odds. A 60% chance of success. It actually gave me an assessment of its own chances. Honestly, that's either really transparent or just a great way to set expectations. Either way, I'm in. And just like that, my AI has a meeting with the phone company tomorrow morning. I'm not even invited, I just have to be there to pick up for the identity check. So here's where it gets real. Pine called my provider, but it wasn't like they were just pretending to be me. They actually set up a 3-way call. My provider called me first to verify who I was. I picked up, gave them my account PIN, and told them it was okay for Pine to speak for me. Then Pine just took over from there. And I just put the phone down. For 44 minutes. Pine stayed on the line with my provider, navigating all those menus, talking to a rep, getting it escalated to a supervisor, and making the case for me. I didn't have to say a single word. Mind blown. When it was all finished, Pine came back with the full report. So here's how it went down. Pine pushed for one of those recurring monthly credits, which is the dream, right? We're talking 10 or 20 bucks off every single month. But my provider just wasn't budging. Since I've got active device financing on both lines and the account is still pretty new, they wouldn't approve a recurring discount. But Pine didn't just give up. It pivoted and snagged a $50 one-time goodwill credit for my account instead. I got the reference number and confirmation that it'll post within 24 hours. Plus, it double-checked that my existing $100 promo credit is still hitting my next bill. So, did it actually work? Well, it got me $50 I definitely wouldn't have had otherwise. Here's the proof. My mobile provider sent me that $50 credit right after the call, which was awesome. If I hadn't just started these new plans, I'm sure I would have gotten even more. But honestly, the best part? I didn't have to spend 44 minutes on the phone. Pine did all of that while I was busy doing literally anything else. The fact that this actually works means I can look at my monthly expenses and just systematically have Pine handle all of this for me. Auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance, you name it. This is a total game changer for anyone looking to optimize their bills. And just to keep things honest and double check the facts, I asked Pine, "Did you actually talk to a real person?" Pine said, "Yes, we spoke directly with live human representatives at my provider. First, we got a customer service agent on the line for the verification call, and then we talked to a supervisor who approved that $50 goodwill credit for you." So what else can you actually do with Pine? Well, there are already a bunch of pre-programmed strategies ready to go. You can have it lower your bills, think Xfinity, Verizon, or AT&T. And it works for insurance too, with built-in options for Allstate, Geico, and Progressive. It can negotiate refunds for you at places like Google, Hertz, Amazon, and Walmart, or even just cancel those unwanted subscriptions automatically. You can also use it to file claims, whether you're resolving an Amex travel charge or an issue with a national car rental. It handles the annoying paperwork too, like fixing ticket issues or getting refunds. Need to schedule an appointment? It can book a doctor's visit or car service for you. It can even fix travel headaches with Air Canada or a hotel stay, and handle your returns and exchanges. Honestly, there are a ton of really great things you can do with this. Pine can also schedule complex recurring tasks and automate your entire work life through personalized workflows. For example, one I find really useful is the Monday morning week prep automation. It's a comprehensive briefing that pulls data from my synced Google Calendar, my high priority pending tasks, and basically any project updates I need to know before the clock hits 9 a.m. Then, at the end of the work week, I use a separate automation to wrap everything up. It analyzes exactly what meetings I attended, generates a summary of where I actually spent my productive time, and tracks what spilled over that I should go for next week. There are a whole bunch of these pre-built templates available in the gallery, but you can also create your own custom automations. To wrap up, I've tested a ton of AI tools on this channel, but Pine is the first one that's ever actually picked up a phone and negotiated for me. Honestly, that would have been a cool enough demo on its own. The surprise is that it actually works. I got $50 back on my account, and I spent exactly 0 of those 44 minutes sitting on hold. The AI did the chore, and I got the credit. And that was just one bill, one call. The same thing works for my internet, my insurance, and those random subscriptions I forgot I even signed up for. Basically, every monthly bill is now a call I never have to make again. AI assistants answering questions are common now, but this one actually runs errands. It's got new powers and a phone number. Pine is linked in the description, and yeah, it'll tell you the odds before it even places the call. So, what's the one call you'd hand off first? The bill, the cancellation, or that refund you never chased down? Drop it in the comments. I read everything.